Okay, we're going to demonstrate Driver Robot here. Double click on the icon. And what's great about this software is that you no longer have to go to the internet and search for drivers for your hardware on your Windows machines. You can automatically keep your drivers up to date simply by using this nifty little piece of software. This particular software you can download before you buy it and actually scan for drivers, find out what you have on your system and what's out of date, what needs to be updated, and then it allows you to download those drivers after you register the product. So it's kind of a try before you buy in the way that it actually does the scanning. So if you're looking for a particular driver and you use this product and you find out, whoops, it can't find the driver that I'm looking for, well then you're not locked into having to purchase the product, which I thought was a really good feature, because my concern in getting the product was that I was going to purchase some software and then all of a sudden it not do what I wanted it to do, not be able to find the drivers I was particularly using. So I'm going to give you a short little demonstration of the product. There's not much to show. It's very user-friendly. You navigate through it with the buttons on the side here. The first thing you want to do is do a scan, and it will run through all your devices that it can find on your computer. As you can see here, it's going through them relatively quickly. This particular system I'm running is running inside of VMware, so you're going to see a lot of devices showing up. So whenever it finishes the scan, it's almost done here, it gives you this little chart that shows you how your drivers on your system fared. We had 6 of them that were out of date, need to be updated. The ones here in the blue are system drivers that came with Windows, and then the ones in the green are up to date. So we're looking pretty good here for as many as I've got on this system, that only a handful of them need to be updated. And at this point, to download the drivers, you would click this button here, and this is where you would register. You would tell it here, I want to register and purchase the product, and go ahead and get my 6 drivers that need to be downloaded. Now I'm not going to actually download the drivers here on the demo, but if you'll see that it gives you your status of each driver, and you can actually control them individually, stop the download as you would like, and it tells you the size of the driver, and so you can estimate how much time it's going to take and when to manage how you want to download them. So then if you're not connected to the internet, there's also a feature here that allows you to get around that. It creates a report called an analysis report. You export the report to disk, take that disk or USB device to a computer that does have internet connection, and when you put it in there, you can run a little application that will then download the drivers and put them on that same disk that you can then bring back to your machine and update the machine that you did the analysis on. And then of course the last tab here is for settings. You can schedule this. Driver Robot will run in the background, and then it will run a scheduled scan to check to see if anything's running out of date, and if so, you're going to have it where it automatically downloads all the new drivers as soon as the scan is over. You can have it shut down the computer. Some driver updates are going to require a reboot, and so very well put together product. Seems to have just about everything you would need to be able to control this, and it's very user friendly, and I recommend this if you want to get a better grip on the device drivers that you maintain on your system. Thank you.